This is the mylohyoid. This is geniohyoid, genioglossus muscles. Obviously, this is the tongue, your lingual tonsils, palatine tonsils, and pharyngeal tonsils. Up here we have our superior, middle, and inferior nasal concha with a superior, middle, and inferior meatus. We have torus tuberus with tensor villi palatini and levator villi palatini. This becomes salpingopharyngeus, and this here is the opening to the auditory tube. Back here we have our superior pharyngeal constrictors, our middle pharyngeal constrictors, and our inferior pharyngeal constrictors. Right here, this is orbicularis oris. And then for our sinuses, this is the opening to the sphenoid sinus, and this is the frontal sinus here. The maxillary opening to the maxillary sinus is underneath the inferior meatus, which is not visualized on this model. Here we have the anterior longitudinal ligament, which becomes the anterior atlanto-occipital ligament. We have our posterior longitudinal ligament, which comes up here to form the tectorial membrane. And while it's not visualized on here, the ligamentum flava, which runs on the anterior aspect of the spinal canal, becomes the posterior atlanto-occipital membrane.